Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of Theta Network. My friends, this update is very urgent for all Theta Network holders. Keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, first of all, we look the latest price of Theta Network, and after that we discuss that what should we do this time, as it is time to buy, as it is time to sell, as it is time to hold, and is there's a lot of chances to take a jump in the future or not. So let's see, my friends, but please subscribe, please click the subscribe button now for more updates, for more news about cryptocurrencies market. So friends, the latest price of Theta Network in this time in the market is 7.81 USD dollar, my friends. And if we look the Bitcoin price of Theta Network, so 0.000021433 USD dollar is the latest price of Theta Network and a BTC, my friends. So if we look the market cap here, 24 hours trading volume here, available supply of Theta here, and total supply of Theta Network you can see now on the screen. You can easily read, my friends. On the other side, if you look the price change occurred in the Theta Network, so you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is negative 1.72%, pricing is negative 24 hours pricing is negative 6.49%, and 11.61% last 1 week pricing is negative. That's mean that yesterday last one week pricing is positive. Yesterday they take a jump, so that's mean that they are in the jumping mood, from my friends, and there is the temporary phase of Theta Network. That is the temporary phase you have to hold. If you decide to sell, so you are in the loss. You will not in the loss, but you will get a low amount of profit, and if you hold, so you will get a good amount of profit from the Theta Network. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Theta Network? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.